Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can transfer money from Capital One to another bank account. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. So before starting, make sure that your country actually supports or has Capital One. And so once you're on your Capital website, what you will have to do is, of course, put your username, your password, and proceed to signing in. And then after signing in, you will basically look for the payments and transfers section. So just go ahead and click that. And then what you will have to do is select an account and choose transfer or transfer money at the top of your account page. So yeah, you will just have to add your account if the bank isn't linked, and then you will enter your routing and account number. And then what you will have to do is basically just follow this step. So you will choose the from and to accounts, the frequency, the date you would like the transfer to take place, and then you will just have to enter the amount that you would like to transfer, and then you can schedule the transfer for a later date or a repeating transfer. You will also have the option to add a memo. So make sure that you will yeah that your that you have entered your routing and account number of the bank that you will link. And then you will just have to slide to confirm the transfer if you're on mobile. But if you're on your website, you will just have to click the review button to review the transfer details before submitting. And after all that, you will just have to click transfer so that you will be able to confirm that submission. And that's basically just it. And by the way, you will receive a confirmation message, and the transfer will be completed in 1 to 3 business days. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.